Welcome back. In this video we will learn about HashMaps. HashMap is another data structure that could be used to store key value pairs. For example, the typical application of HashMaps is a dictionary in which we have the words, and against those words we have to store the meanings of those words, so we can use HashMaps as our data structure. So I'm going to start with the syntax of creating a HashMap. HashMap, and then we need to give it two data types, and those should be non-primitive data types. Means that we have to give one data type for our key and the other one for the value. So I'm going to give it, for example, integer for key and for string for the value, and then the name of the HashMap, whatever you want to put here, and then new keyword just is used to assign the memory to this hash map, the memory it is required to have. And this is actually a constructor call. We will learn it when we will study classes and objects in the coming videos. So hash map dot put is a function to assign values to assign means to store values in this data structure. So I have to give integer as our key, and the value should be in strings, and string is denoted in double quotes, for example. So I'm going to give it Rob here. So again I'm going to add some values to it, and I'm changing these keys to, for example, let's give it so these are the key value pairs. I've assigned it. Now I can access any value from this hash map using its key. So I'm going to print one here. For example, I want to get the third value, so I have to give hashmap.get is a function which takes an argument, and that is its key. What's wrong here? Let me copy this code here. I think something went wrong with this IDE. Object. So let me refresh this page. Changes users may not be saved. Alright, my network got disconnected. Sorry for that, for the interruption. Welcome back again. So I'm here back. So let me change these from strings to integers, or let me paste the previous code I copied. Here we go. So I'm going to execute this code, and as you can see, it has printed out Zishan, and Zishan has the key 2, and if I print key the value with key 3, that should be Ali, and it's Ali. So that's the basic idea of hash maps. You can remove an item as well from hash map, giving its key. For example, dot remove, give its key. For example, I want to remove Ali from, and again I'm printing the same value, so it should give null because that value doesn't exist, that has been deleted. So that's it about maps. If you want to learn more methods about map, like there are plenty of methods or functions that could be used to modify the values inside a hash map. You can just search them in Google. So in the next coming videos we will learn about classes and objects, which are the most important parts of object oriented programming, and Java is also an object oriented programming. So see you in the next videos. Thanks for watching this video.